What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to solve the too many attempts error on Telegram. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to follow my steps and you can pretty much solve it. So first of all, this error appears when you input a multiple wrong mobile numbers when you log in or even when you do nothing and it still appear as an error. Then what you're going to do is to wait for like 30 minutes or 1 hour and then logging again and see if the error is gone. That's it. And another thing that you can do is to go to your Telegram's app info, then go to storage usage, then clear the Telegram data and its cache. And then try log in again to your account and see if the error is gone. And if the error is still there, the last thing that you can do is to go to Telegram support page. Just go to your Google Chrome and search Telegram support. Then go to their website right there, Telegram support. Go to their website and right there, explain your problem to them and also share your mobile number and the email that you use to your Telegram account and click submit, and it will take you under 7 days for them to respond to your problem and possibly solve it. And that's all what you can do, and also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.